Okay, everyone, so I'm just going to talk real quick about fixed slot requests again, okay? I did a video on this pretty recently, but there was a glitch with the accept reject button, so I just wanted to go over it again now with the button fixed. So if you go down to your pop-up center, if you get the notification about having a fixed request, or when you log in, you'll see a little red dot. That'll tell you that there's something in the pop-up center, okay? Now, if I go to it, this is one of my regular students that I normally teach, but since school has started, the slot she usually takes, which is during the day, is no longer available since she's in classes. So she's looking to take 2 classes on Tuesday night my time. Now, I live in Taiwan. I am on Beijing time. So 19:30 and 8 or 20 o'clock is Beijing time hours, normal peak hour times. Unfortunately, I am unavailable on Tuesdays, so I cannot take this request. I need to take my son to Taekwondo. Now, if I was to take it, I would hit accept. But because I cannot take it, I will be hitting reject. Now, this is a fixed slot request. It is starting from 9:22, and it's every Tuesday at 19:30. So if you go to your schedule, you can check, oh, when is 19:22? Well, it's not this coming Tuesday, it's the following Tuesday. So it would be starting from this following Tuesday. Now, like I said, I cannot accept that. I don't work on Tuesdays. My son has Taekwondo, and I go to the gym while he's at Taekwondo. So unfortunately, I will have to reject Annie's request. So I will hit the reject button, and it will confirm. It will ask me to confirm. And it will also say, hey, do you want to just not receive requests for this time slot for the next week? Honestly, if it could be infinity, I'd want it infinity, but yes. And then once again, because this is also Tuesday at 8 p.m. starting from the 22nd, I will hit reject. I will do the next 7 days, can't get this slot again, and I will hit confirm. Now, personally, because this is a regular, from here I will go and I will send a message via the after class report to the class admin to let them know that, hey, I'm just not available on Tuesdays. That way they know that I cannot take that time. Okay? I hope this helps. I hope you guys can see how the fixed slots requests go. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below or in Facebook or in the app, any which way you want to find me. It's all okay. Bye-bye.